Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivosmart 5 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this smartband with the Android phone. Before we start, you can pair this smartband with the Android phone in two ways. The first method is to do it during the setup process of the smartband. So basically, if the smartband is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings, and the second method is to do it through the settings after the smartband has been already set up. First, I'm gonna show you how to do it during the setup process, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it through the settings. Okay, let's continue with the pairing. First thing you will need to do with your smartband is to turn it on, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the button. Once you turn on the smartband, you may see the hello message on the screen. This is because the smartband is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings. Once you see the message, simply tap on the screen to continue, and this will bring you to the list of languages. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen, find the language you'd like to use on your smartband, and then select it and tap on the check mark to confirm. After you select the language, your smartband will enter the pairing mode. This means we need to download and install the Garmin Connect application on our phone. So, make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled, and then open the Google Play Store. In the Play Store, tap on search, type in Garmin Connect, and then tap on the search button. Okay, this time it worked. For some reason we got disconnected from the internet quickly for a short period of time. But anyway, search for the Garmin Connect. You should see this application, Garmin Connect by Garmin. Tap on the install button. And after the application is done installing, you should see the open button right here. You can tap on it to open the app. After the application opens, you should see the login page. Basically, we need to log in into Garmin account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on the create account button and make a new one. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap on sign in, check the box, tap next. And now I'm gonna enter the email and password. And then we can tap on next to log in. After you log in, you will see the pop-up about the permission, basically permission to connect to or access the nearby devices. You need to allow it, so tap on allow access and tap on allow. And after that, the application should detect your smartband automatically. If it doesn't for some reason, you can try force restarting your smartband by pressing and holding the button right here until you see the Garmin logo on the screen. And then you will need to select the language. And once you select the language and enter the pairing mode, the app should detect the smartband automatically. And once it does, tap on the connected button, tap on allow, enter the code from the smartband right here on the screen. So 142887 and tap on OK. Let's tap on retry. Something went wrong for some reason. Maybe I entered the code wrong. 219448. Okay, this time it worked. It went through. Now let's tap on next. And here we can set up bedtime basically. What this does is basically it's useful rather if you want to use the do not disturb mode during sleep. Basically, you can set the bedtime, so the time you're going to bed and go to sleep, and the wake time, the time when you wake up. And what it will allow the do not disturb mode to do is to turn on, or rather, turn on do not disturb when you go to bed and turn it off when you wake up. And you can tap on the boxes under the bedtime and wake time to adjust them by swiping on the screen like this. And once you're done, you can tap on next. And you can select if you want to enable the do not disturb mode during the sleep time or disable it. Select one of the options. Next we have the we can select preferred wrist. So basically on which wrist we prefer to wear the smart band, and you can select right or left, then tap next. And here we can select preferred activities. You can select up to 10 of them. And basically to select them, tap on them, or to unselect them, tap on them again. Select your preferred activities and tap next. Here we can set up some goals. If you want to set the goals, tap on set my goals or edit my goals right here. If you don't care, you can tap on the skip button. I'm just gonna tap on edit my goals. And as you can see, we have steps, fluid consumed, and the intensity minutes per week. And we can tap on the boxes to adjust the values for ourselves. Like that. And once you're done, you can tap on next. Right here we can allow the notification access. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on the smart band, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it by tapping on skip. I'm just gonna allow it. Here we have the location permission. If you want to track the activities like running and stuff like that, basically to track the route you're taking, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it by tapping on skip. I'm just gonna allow it for the sake of the video. So permissions, location, and allow while using the app, and then we can go back to the application. Okay, next we have the calendar access, and you can allow it or deny it. I'm just gonna allow it. Then call logs. If you want to receive the notifications about calls, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. I'm just gonna allow it. Then we have phone call access, again, notifications and stuff like that. Allow it or deny it. And messages, you can allow it or deny it. Okay, and once you're done with the permissions, you will see the sync now button. Tap on it. Then tap on finish. And here we have a tutorial how to use our smart band, and you can go through it by tapping on the next button. And once you're done with the tutorial, you can tap on finish. And it should bring you to the My Day page. I'm gonna just skip the messages right here. As you can see, we have the My Day page. And if we tap on the menu icon to open the menu, scroll down, tap on Garmin devices, you should see your Vivosmart 5 on the list of devices connected to your account. Also, when you press the button on your smartband, you will see that the smartband is active and you can use it now. Okay, so that's how you pair the device during the setup process. Now I'm gonna unpair the smartband and pair it through the settings. So let's remove it like that. Tap on settings, remove it from here like this, and then I'm gonna close the app. And now let's enter the pairing mode on our smartband through the settings. So press the button to wake up the screen, press it again to open the menu, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll through the menu, find the option called phone and select it. And here find the option called pair phone and tap on it. Once you tap on pair phone, it will enter the pairing mode. Now we can open the Garmin Connect application. And you know, if you installed it for the first time, you will need to log in and stuff like that. Well, we're just gonna tap on this big plus button right here. And then tap on connect because it detected the smartband automatically. If you didn't see button right here, you can tap on menu, tap on Garmin devices, and then you have this big button right here on device. It will detect the smartband automatically. We can tap on connect it and basically repeat the steps as we did before. So enter the code, tap on OK, then tap next. You can set up the bedtime, select if you want to enable or disable the do not disturb mode, tap on next on the wrist page, you can select the activities, tap next, set up goals, but I'm gonna skip it this time, and allow the permission for the location. I'm just gonna skip it for now. And then you can tap on sync now. Then tap on finish. And you can go through the tutorial or tap on skip to skip it. And once you're done with the tutorial and tap on finish, you will see the My Day page, and you can tap on the Garmin devices. Oh, my bad. Garmin device. You should see your Vivosmart 5 on the list of devices. Okay, and that's how you pair this smartband with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.